All right, so y'all, I'm recording this, so make sure you watch your language. Okay. Back to me, please. This is the second derivative. And the second derivative is negative 2x cubed plus x, and then times 30. And all I'm going to tell you is that you have an extreme value at 1, 2. So from that bit of information, just one second. From that bit of information, I need you to be able to tell me if that extreme value is a maximum or a minimum. All right, what was your question?
We can use what we use.
Yeah. But I've already given you the second derivative. It's negative 2x cubed plus x times 30. And I want you from that to tell me, is that, and I'm telling you, and it can't be neither. Because I had some people in the other class say, it's neither. But it's not neither. That sounds like great grammar. If you want to talk with the neighbor about it, that'll be fine too. Well, you may want to draw a picture if you can, but you've got to use whatever knowledge you have about the second derivative and your extreme, and you've got to relate them to each other. I want you to tell me if that extreme value at 1, 2, if it's a maximum or it's a minimum. And here's a hint. There is no going back and finding the first derivative. Can't go back and find the first derivative. What?
Is there ever going to be a lesson?
Yes and no. In this case, well, you could possibly in this case. So yeah, it will be a lesson later on. Because we have an actual point. But all right, let me know when y'all come up with something. You're saying it's a maximum? All right. I've got one person or two persons telling me that it is a maximum. Why?
Because the concave down at 1.
Okay. If you take this 1 and you plug it into the second derivative, that tells you its concavity, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if its concavity is, in this case, negative when you plug in 1, you'll get something concave down. Now, if I draw something concave down, you should be able to see it. Thank you. If I draw something concave down, it's going to look like that, right?
Right.
That extreme value would have to be a maximum. Very good.
So we didn't